Hi, I'm Magi Helena. Are you in one of those relationships that you just can't figure out? Are you getting mixed messages, or do things feel great but the relationship just seems to be going nowhere? Relationships can be incredibly confusing. Wouldn't it be great to put an end to the confusion and find out what's really going on right now? You can. All you need is their date of birth, nothing else. Now, there's lots of cookie-cutter astrology relationship reports out there. Did you know that almost every report sold on every website is generated from the same old software using the same old unproven astrology generalities? My Love Stars reports are different. They are uniquely about the two of you. They are the only reports using proven star science, and they are only available here from me. I spent years developing my Love Stars reports, and I didn't stop refining my formulas until they reached 95% accuracy based on a large pool of relationships with known outcomes. My Instant Complete Relationship Report gives you 40+ pages of in-depth and completely personal information about your unique relationship. And it's 100% money-back satisfaction guaranteed, so you can try one with confidence. If you buy now, you'll also get a free 3-month personal love calendar to get your personal right timing for love. Stop being confused. Get the in-depth, real about your relationship today.